So I guess the real question is who is the Super Duke GT for? I personally think that it is for the more aggressive or spirited rider. Now this bike, it's not as comfortable as a bike like the Multistrada or just a full-blown adventure bike, or maybe the BMW. But with those bikes, you don't get as much spirit as you do with this bike. I mean, it has so much torque, it's nothing but usable. I mean, even in wet, I've taken this thing down gravel roads, accelerated hard on gravel roads and in wet conditions, and the bike is just comfortable. So for someone who really is just trying to convince themselves that they don't need a sport bike anymore, then hopefully this will kind of convince you. This is with a full tank of gas. My heated grips are on. I have about 40 ounces of water inside of this pack, so the bike is heavy. The only thing I don't have on this bike right now is the side luggage. I mean, you can just keep it in third. This bike is not a rocket ship, it is a rocket. I mean, this thing is a full tank of gas, slam it up, knee scraping there. You can't have much more fun than this. The suspension handles everything. Super stiff in the front, rear slipped out back there, hold its composure. We'll slam it down to second just to bring a little bit more engine braking, but it doesn't need to. I actually prefer third. This thing is just blazingly fast. And then just like that, you're back to blending in. It's quiet. Just sounds like a Harley. Nothing to see here.